Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened Euro GBP pair. Okay, here I am going with sellers. Why? First of all, there is a trend line which is a minor. After breakout, still you got a selling candle, which means the sellers are interested. So I could go easily with sellers. Okay, and the market wants to make an U-turn. And previously the market was in uptrend. You have got the momentum in the left side. So as of now, it wants to go down. Okay, we'll check one more pair because maybe the opportunity is getting weak. So that's why. Let me check. I will take Euro JPY. Okay, fine. Okay, I will pick the pair. Okay. Here, whether I have any opportunity? Yes, I think we have a momentum here. Second thing, overall trend is a downtrend. Yeah, can I continue? Still, there is a gap for the level. There is no weakness at all. Okay. I have gone with sellers. Okay. Here, yeah, we got win here. Yeah, we'll look after it. We'll check here from this. Here we have gone with sellers. You know the reason. Okay, let me draw any major trend line which is at the level. Okay, let me clear this for you. Okay, here let me draw a horizontal level which was previous support and now become resistance. And this was the major level where the market has been reversed. Let me draw a trend line. Okay, here there is a strong trend line where every time the market is bouncing from that particular area. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, here we got a rejection. Okay, even though we can win this trade, why I am saying this means this will be a retracement candle only. Why? How can you say? Do you have a question? Yes. Already from that particular area, the market was rejected previously. If you check, again the sellers are interested means the market wants to go down. And one more thing, we have a sign that market is in a downtrend. So what do you expect? You can expect a retracement, not a reversal. Okay. So easily you can win this trade because we have won in a margin of safety. See, we got win. Okay, now what is the next candle? Yes, I can confidently go with sellers again. How can you say you will go with sellers here? Means one thing, first of all, one trend is a friend. So overall it's a downtrend. Second thing, we have a momentum. Third thing, we got a retracement of the buying candle, which was a weak candle. And the momentum is too strong. Can't you expect at least one candle here? Yes, you can expect. So easily you can go with sellers here. Okay, here main important note. Okay, if you like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos, because the way you appreciate us in the way of likes or comments only. So try to check that. Okay, we'll continue the next trade in the next pair, because when the area is getting too complicated, the levels also will get complicated. Okay, we'll check the previous pair. Okay, let me check the previous pair once again, whether we have any opportunity in that particular pair. Yeah, I get a nice opportunity. Yes, I will go with sellers. Why I have gone with sellers? Do you have an idea? First of all, you all know that the market wants to come down. Second thing, the trend line has been breakout already. Okay, third thing, you got a 2 retracement, but the second one is weak, which means who is the stronger here? The sellers are getting stronger continuously. So what do you expect? And if you observe the trend line, the last candle of the buying have been retested that particular trend line, which shows a weakness, which means the market wants to come down. So easily you can expect a selling candle. Okay, and now what is the next candle? You may think just now the level is horizontal, is breaking out, so it is a strong level, we can go with buyers. But I have mentioned this point many times. Already the level is respected, still instantly the sellers are entering. What do you expect? Selling. You should expect only sellers, not buyers. Okay, because just now you have went there. Again, why it will respect? Already it is retesting. You should check this point. Okay, so, and one more thing you should observe, in the YouTube I have a membership program. Okay, it is not even a $1. First of all, you guys have a question, why should I join that particular program? Because in that you may get trendline strategy, which is working perfectly. And one more thing, in that you will get every candle explanation series. You may think why YouTube is necessary. Yeah, most of the people want to learn earlier, because every candle explanation is a long length video. In that you may get huge points, huge understandings. Every time each and every point was explained clearly. Even this also explained clearly, but in that you may understand better because it is continuously showing the levels, explaining the candles each and every time with rejections, with valid points. So maybe you could get better knowledge instantly. So that's the reason. If you are interested, yeah, you can take that. Okay. Okay. Now why I have gone with buyers? Now it is a valid point. Breakout reversal. Why? Because it's a SNR area. Every time you are getting buyers and sellers. So breakout, you can expect a reversal easily. Okay. Okay, I think you are getting the points what I am saying about. See, I have only drawn two levels, which are support levels only because the market first level is been breakout, next level is over downside. So that's the reason only I have gone with buyers now. Okay, at last we got win, but our prediction is correct because our entry point, it's okay. Okay, now what is the next candle? Here I will go with sellers only. Do you look like the candle is a strong candle? It's a weak candle, right? Yeah, in between retracements are common. Yeah, you can continue with the sellers again. Oh, late entry. Okay, let me take one more trade here because I need an entry point. Okay, yes, I got nice entry here. It's good. Okay, we can win easily because there is no levels in the left side. The candle make full margin here. It's not a big deal because the previous sellers also too strong. So in that case only I have mentioned this point. Okay, now what is the next candle here? Can you guess what is the next candle here? The wick was rejecting from the level. Okay, at last. Okay, at last we got win. It's good. Okay, here if you notice, the level is somewhat far, you may think, but if you notice the buying candle where the buyers have entered, it's a gap up. So it is considered, but in these kind of tricky situations, maybe this candle will be buying candle, but you should take margin of safety. Main thing. Because most of the times in these kind of areas, the weak candles may enter. Because if you notice from the top, the buyers are continuously getting weak, not at all strong. So you should think twice because candles give you hint before itself. Sometimes continuously they are reducing their power means so market wants to make an U-turn. So sometimes they are getting stronger means the market wants to continue or break the levels, these kind of situations. So try to observe the candles also. Without weakness, without anything, market won't make any kind of move. Okay. See, finally it was a green candle. Let me check whether it is a green. No, it's a doji. Okay, here I want to explain a situation regarding doji. Okay, I got a doji candle, right? Doji candle means both buyers and sellers equal fight, which is called a indecision candle. So no color, nothing. But here I will go with sellers now. Okay, I want to show you a thing here, but it really works or not, you should know. Let me show you one thing here. At the level doji means it's a sign of reversal. I have continued the market. In this video, I will clarify the doji reality. Okay. Here, but I have gone with against. I was going with sellers. Okay. Whether it is really working means now it will be buyers. Okay. We'll see what will happen. See, finally the buyers are entered. Okay, fine. Okay, now you may think already doji buyers have entered, so I will continue with the buyers again. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, this is an examples. Okay, don't check like this. Okay, I want to prove you that something should know new in this video, so that's why. So I have gone with buyers here. We'll check what will happen because previous was an indecision candle. Again the buyers are interested, so you may think no sellers are interested. Let's see here whether the buyers are really interested or not. So I have gone with buyers again because the buyers are interested, right? So that's why. You may say who said the buyers are interested because it's coming from buyers area, right? So you can go with buyers, right? So in that logic only I have gone with buyers. We'll see what will happen here. I will wait. After that I will explain you clear cut reasons. Okay, finally the sellers only interested. Okay, because the buyers are strong, right? Okay, this time I will go with sellers. Here two losses, it's okay. I will show you the reality. Here I will go with sellers again, because even though the buyers are not at all interested, now maybe the sellers are interested. So let me go with sellers here. I will clear you after this candle, you will understand. This is the last candle. Why? Because sometimes market will make a sideways area. Sometimes you should wait. Sometimes you should understand how. You may say, how I can wait? What is the indications that I should wait? Means here, if you observe the last 4 candles, there are making some candles which doesn't indicate anything over there. Just it's moving in a sideways. If you notice, there is no proper things. So that's why you should understand this point particularly. Okay, here I got a doji. Now I will 100% go with buyers. Why? Because I have mentioned a point previous itself. Doji at the level, sign of reversal. So this is a confident trade. I can go easily. How you can say? Previous I have an example over there. In these kind of situations, the candles need a minimum strength. That's why I said you to wait to understand these kind of things. Because these things make perfections. Maybe now the present candle, green candle, is a weak, means I will wait for the next candle. I won't take trade because it doesn't show anything. Whether it could be buyers or sellers, it will be weak candle. So I can't decide. No one can't decide. So that's why sometimes you need to wait in the market. See, this candle shows strength. This is real validation of the buying area. See, continuously 2 loss, but third loss proved us, and now I have recovered all the things. So you should understand this point. Okay. Now again you can go with buyers. Why? The strength of the buyers itself says how to move on, how to go to the next level. Here you have a level, but you got a strong candle, which means buyer's strength. So easily you can go with buyers here. So you should understand these all points whenever you are trading. Sometimes you need to wait. The situations will decide you automatically. Okay. See how strong the buyers are. So that's why I said you sometimes you should check the levels and check the candles too. I think you have got clarity about the doji and the live example I have shown you. So try to check that thing. Maybe when you are trading, you may get the same situation. Easily you can win. Okay. See. Okay, I won't say any levels. I will go with buyers here because there is no weakness in the candle, but there is a level which was far. Let me draw a trend line. Okay, still there is a gap, right? Yeah, I could go with buyers here. Yeah, I'm going with buyers. Let's see what will happen. Maybe that particular level is a strong level. From that area, we got top rejections, reversals. So we could wait up to that level. Okay, we'll check what will happen. So here I have gone with buyers. See, there is a buying area where previous support horizontal. Check that there is self a doji instant reversal. So you can check. You got 3 examples over there. Okay, it's nice. So I think you have got clarity and you got something new to know about today. Okay, it's good. Okay, what is this? Whether weakness or selling? What is happening? Oh, it's a selling candle. Maybe the level wants to adjust. Okay, maybe some adjustment. Okay, it's okay. Earlier sellers. Now I will recover the easily. Why? Because easily we can go with sellers because it's a strong area. Sometimes the market will reverse. Maybe some reasons of sellers entry. But as of now, I can easily go with sellers here. So most of the time, try to check the levels because sometimes you may miss somewhat adjustments only, but the levels are perfect only. But adjustments sometimes make a reversal instantly. It's okay. And one more thing, if you get this kind of strong buying candle after that instant reversal, means the sellers are too strong. You should understand. So that's why I'm confidently going with sellers here. Because coming a weakness reversal is a sign, but instantly means it's an indication that there is something different. So in these kind of situations, Maybe first will be wrong, second will be definitely perfect right. Okay, now what is the next candle? There is a support level which was I have plotted before. Previously also we got a reversal from that. That area is how much strong, you know all. Can I expect a reversal here? What do you say? Yes, I can expect a reversal here because it is working. It is a working level. Previous also breakout reversal. This only happened, right? So easily you can go with buyers for at least one candle. Okay, you should check this point first of all. So easily you can go with buyers. And I think this will be a buying candle. Okay, now guess what is the next candle? Now you should understand one thing here clearly. From the top, the market is making high, low, lower, high, lower, low. Now again the market has been reached to the top level. And again the market can come down, right? So what do you expect now? Yes, you can go with sellers, right? Why? Because the market is going downtrend. If you note the trend line, you will understand clearly. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. Again the market has been made a touch to the new high. Again it will make a new low. That's it. So easily you can expect a selling candle. And previous candle you may think it is a reversal. No, it's a retracement. So can I continue with the sellers for the next candle? I think you got an idea that you will go with sellers or buyers for the next candle. I won't say anything. I won't even predict. I will just take trade, okay? Because up to now you could get a better clarity, right? So that's why. So I won't say next candle what is it. I will just place the trade. Maybe you know the answer better than me because I have explained clearly, okay? What is the answer? I have placed the trade, right? I won't say. See here, one more thing you should understand. Already the candle is respected that area and it was coming from a trend line area because the market is making new lows every time. So you should continue. And one more thing, previously how the sellers are there, now at present how the sellers are came. Previous there are rejections, weakness, which shows your weakness. But this time the candle which has been formed previously, does it shows any weakness? No, right? So you should go with sellers here. So try to check these points. You will understand the market clearly. If you watch the video twice, you will understand the points. While seeing the video, you won't get anything. But if you watch twice, you will understand where the candles really works, where it is not. Because you will understand the video twice if you check. Because by seeing one time we won't get any idea. Maybe the trades are going on, there are winnings, that's it. But it wants to apply in the real market means you should check twice. You should understand, you should take it note down. Then only you make it clarity regarding that things. You can check my history also. Okay, now why I have gone with buyers? Should I say the reason or no need? Because my levels itself says the answer, right? The levels which I have plotted, whether they are working or not, just check that things, you will understand. Okay, see here, that is a strong buying area where previously every time the buyers are respecting. So that's the reason only I have gone with easily buyers. And one more thing, just now we got a buying candle. Okay, now I have gone with sellers. Why? First of all, if you understand, previous support becomes a resistance and the candle has been opened exact at the level, gap down. You should understand this point clearly. So easily you can continue with the sellers only. Don't expect much, okay? Don't think much because I won't prefer that my subscribers should think more pressure about these kind of things. Just look the market as you like, the way you understand. That's it. Draw limited levels, understand the market perfectly. That's it. Don't think much. We don't need these all things. See, you got win. Okay, already retested, still there is a gap. And let me show you. Okay, I will go with sellers. There is a level. Yes, there is a level. I will show you. Okay, here I have adjusted my level. Okay, my next reversal is here because from where the buyers have been entered, right? I should show you, right? So that's why only I have highlighted that particular level. Okay, now sellers up to where the selling area is, up to the gap fulfill area. So let it fulfill. So whenever you are trading in a market, take a good market. Good market, which means less wicks, more body. It is a good area because, and the market should be in momentum, means it's more good because you can get easy opportunities. So you do no need to think much. You can follow the flow. That's it. See, I got win. Okay, now I should take trade. Finally, the level has been reached out. Okay. Now, what is the next candle? You all know. Every time, if you notice, breakout, reversal, breakout, reversal. Again, the market has been entered to the buying area. So, what would you expect? Yeah, you can reverse. Okay. Try to understand these points. You no need the whole chart. You need just 2 or 3 opportunities to make you successful. That's it. Don't think much. Don't go far. The way you like the present the market, just focus that thing. Take valid trades. No need to go with every candle because we have so many pairs here. We can easily win. So try to understand these points because there is no rule that you should take trade about this candle only. So it's nothing. Just take the valid trades. You will understand. Now what is the next candle? I think this is the last trade. I think I have taken so many trades, right? Okay, I will go with sellers here. Okay, let me get a opportunity. Okay, weakness, entry. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's okay. Anyways, here I am going with sellers. Why? Can you expect that particular line, previous it was a support and now it become resistance, and again the market is coming from that area, means can it say the resistance? Yes, it will act as a resistance, and now it will act as a SNR because previous 2 times it is respecting continuously. So I can expect a reversal at least. So that's it. I think here you can go with sellers. If you have any doubts regarding these things, you can message me in the Telegram. Okay guys, finally the sellers are interested. Okay, we'll check. Oh, okay, weak candle, but it's a selling candle. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.